This is Avinash Sharma, and in this video, we will discuss how to install the RStudio on your system. Before installing the RStudio, you have to make sure that R language already installed. If the R language is not in your system, then you can use this link https://cranproject.org. Then we have the option download R for the Windows. Click this one and the install R for the first time. This one, and finally download R4 2.2 for Windows. So you can see exe file is being downloaded. After downloading, click this file, run, next, next. Now choose the default one, accept defaults. And if you know how to customize the R language, then you can choose the first one, otherwise second one, default. Next, next. Now done. Now we check here. We have the R language. So if I click this one, so we have the GUI. So it means without the RStudio, still we can work on the R language with this GUI. But if you want to work on the RStudio, then after installing the R language, we have to install the RStudio. Now, to install the RStudio, use this link https://posit.co. It download studio, then check download RStudio desktop for Windows. Click this one. Now you can observe the file is being downloaded. So downloading done. Open file. Now next, next, next. Installation done. Finish. Now we check. Now, so already we installed this language. Now we have the RStudio. This one. So click this one. So this is the interface of the RStudio. Now we check the RStudio. So you can observe we have the 4 windows. In the first window, so in this window we can type the text, or we can type the say programming code. We can declare the variables, or like we can use the other programming code here. Then we have the end title. It means this file is not saved. Suppose you want to save your code, then say x equal to 5, y equal to 10. So this is the code I'm typing here. And in the second window, we have the console. In console, suppose if I say directory and say, so you can display the list of the directory, current directory. So this is your current directory, and in session, you can change your set working directory or current directory. So choose directory. Suppose I take the G, then done. Now if I say again directory, so this is the files from the G root directory. Even when you change current directory, so you can see that there is a command automatically typed. Say in the console set wd. This is the set working directory. And say if you type say get working directory. now. So you can see this is the G. Even like you can change the working directory through the command or from the menu. And now we have the third window, environment. So, and we have the variable. Say if you say run, then you can see the list of all the variables which you use in this code. Then we have the history. In history, it displays the list of all the commands you use for this RStudio. So first of all, we have the y=10, printf, directory, set directory, set. Then we have the connection and tutorials. Connection we will discuss in some other video, and the tutorials. So you can check the help from the tutorials. And finally, we have fourth one, this files. If you click these files, then you can check the list of all the files from your current directory. And the plots. So when you generate the plots from the R language, then you can visualize the plots here. Then package. This is the list of the package which are available in your R language. And then help, again help, you can check help, and the viewers and presentation. So these 2 points we will discuss later. So this is the basic of the RStudio. So guys, this was all about the how to install the R language and the RStudio, and just basics of the RStudio. Thanks for watching the video.